15 habits that smart people share for continuous improvement. Intelligence is often regarded as an innate quality, but it's essential to understand that it's not a fixed trait. Instead, it's a flexible attribute that can be nurtured and developed over time. This video aims to explore the 15 common habits that smart people, including accomplished entrepreneurs and academics, share in their quest for intellectual growth. Habits shared by smart people. 1. Asking questions. Smart people have a relentless curiosity. They are unafraid to ask questions about things they don't understand. This continuous thirst for knowledge fuels their intellectual development. Questioning is fundamental to the learning process as it enables individuals to gain a deeper understanding of concepts, ideas, and the world around them. 2. Reading across genres. Reading is an exercise for the mind. Smart individuals appreciate this and read broadly across various genres. By exposing themselves to diverse subjects and perspectives, they become more versatile thinkers. This habit allows them to connect seemingly unrelated ideas, fostering creativity and innovation. 3. Hanging out with smart people. Surrounding oneself with intellectually stimulating friends is a practice that can significantly enrich one's mind. Smart people understand the value of engaging in thought-provoking conversations and challenging discussions. By spending time with individuals who inspire intellectual growth, they broaden their horizons and continually learn. 4. Taking time to think. Reflection is a habit that sets smart individuals apart. They recognize the importance of taking pauses to contemplate and digest what they've learned. This practice allows them to internalize knowledge, see patterns, and make informed decisions. Critical thinking is at the core of this habit. 5. Exercising frequently. The connection between physical health and mental acuity is well established. Smart people prioritize regular physical exercise because they understand that a healthy body supports a healthy mind. Exercise boosts cognitive function, enhances memory, and reduces stress. 6. Prioritizing healthy eating. Smart individuals recognize the significance of nutrition for optimal brain function. They maintain a balanced diet that includes essential nutrients. A diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, fish, and dairy products ensures that their brains receive the fuel they need to perform at their best. 7. Keeping a diary. Maintaining a diary or journal is a valuable practice. Smart people make it a habit to document their thoughts, experiences, and insights. Writing not only enhances language skills, but also fosters organization and self-reflection. It's a tool for preserving knowledge and tracking personal growth. 8. Trying something new. Fear of failure often holds people back from trying new things. Smart individuals, however, embrace challenges. They understand that learning and growth stem from stepping out of one's comfort zone. Being unafraid of failure, they experiment, innovate, and eventually succeed in various endeavors. 9. Applying and sharing knowledge. Knowledge that remains unused has limited value. Smart individuals don't just acquire knowledge, they apply it. Moreover, they share their insights with others, recognizing that teaching is a powerful way to reinforce their understanding of a subject. Sharing knowledge enriches their own learning experience. 10. Being selective with attention. Effective time and task management are essential for productivity and focus. Smart people are adept at prioritizing their attention. By minimizing distractions and focusing on what truly matters, they work efficiently and achieve more in less time. 11. Taking short breaks at work. Cognitively demanding work can be mentally exhausting. Smart individuals understand the importance of taking short, rejuvenating breaks. These pauses allow for mental reset, reducing the risk of cognitive burnout. Ultimately, they return to their tasks with increased focus and creativity. 12. Learning to be organized. An organized environment promotes organized thinking. Smart individuals maintain tidy workspaces and organize digital files efficiently. This orderliness reduces mental clutter, enhances focus, and fosters a more productive work environment. 13. Studying other people's behavior. Social intelligence is valuable. Smart people take the time to understand the motivations and behaviors of those around them. This understanding helps in effective communication, collaboration, and decision-making, making them adept at navigating complex social situations.